Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are flying an Airbus A319 into Birmingham Airport in the United Kingdom. As you can see, the weather isn't exactly cooperating. We are dealing with low visibility, which means we'll be conducting low visibility operation or LVO approach to runway 15. Sink into serenity and embrace the experience. We are flying towards runway 15, expecting a category 3 approach. The Airbus A319 is a category C aircraft, and this will be our minimum today. But what do all these numbers mean? Perhaps I can offer some insight. The 0 means no decision height. The 75R means 75 meters RVR required for the approach. Whenever the airport publishes Cat 3 with 0 feet decision height and 75 meters RVR, this means the airport is equipped and meets the requirements for such an approach. The term company indicates that company and/or aircraft-specific regulations or limitations have to be observed. Some companies, airplanes or crews are not certified for Cat 3 without a decision height. In our case, everybody is able to fly a Cat 3 approach without decision height and 75 meters RVR, so let's go. And now, enjoy the last part of the approach.
300.
Can you see the approach lights already?
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10. Retard.
Welcome to Birmingham, ladies and gentlemen. So what do you think, butter landing or not? Well, the Airbus A319 definitely didn't waste any runway this time. The autopilot is still engaged, but will be disengaged now. So we kept decelerating and planned to vacate via taxiway Charlie. But air traffic control instructed us to keep it rolling and vacate via taxiway Echo because another aircraft, which you can see now, was blocking taxiway Charlie. The runway centerline lights turn red and white now, so that means the end of the runway is getting closer. But as you can see, we are already quite slow, so not an issue whatsoever. Here comes taxiway Echo, and we vacate the runway to the left. And if you're approaching from runway 33, you can see there's a displaced threshold as well. And now taxiing to gate 54 left. Hold at the red stop bars and continue. Hold at the red stop bars and continue. Hold before your parking stand. Watch another aircraft pushing back, but still waiting. And finally continue to final parking. And stop. Thanks for watching and auf Wiedersehen.